Ever thought about the different types of regression analysis you can perform using Python, specifically with the Scipy library? Today we're delving into linear regression, logistic regression, polynomial regression, multiple regression, and Poisson regression, and how you can execute each one in Python. Just as a quick heads up, the stats module in the Scipy library is primarily concerned with statistical functions and probability distributions. For regression tasks, you'll typically find yourself reaching for other libraries such as scikit-learn or stats models. These libraries offer specialized tools and functions for regression analysis. Unfortunately, you won't find direct functions for these types of regression in the stats module in Scipy. For linear regression, you can use the linear regression class from the scikit-learn library. It's a simple two-step process. First, import the class using the command from sklearn a linear model import linear regression. Then you create a model instance with model equals linear regression. Logistic regression follows a similar path. Scikit-learn also provides the logistic regression class. You would just need to import it using the command from sklearn linear model import logistic regression. Then, create a model with model equals logistic regression. For polynomial regression, scikit lets you work with the polynomial features class. You can import it using from sklearn pre-processing import polynomial features. Then, create a polynomial features object with the degree of the polynomial. For instance, to create a second-degree polynomial, you would write poly equals polynomial features, degree equals 2. Multiple regression is a bit different. You can perform it using the linear regression class in scikit-learn, but this time you include multiple features. So, you would still import the linear regression class and create a model instance in the same way as before. Lastly, for Poisson regression, you can use the stats models library. It offers Poisson regression models through the GLM class. To use it, first import the library with import stats models API as SM. Then, create a model using model equals SM GLM Y X family equals SM.families Poisson fit. So, there you have it. While the Scipy.stats module focuses on statistical functions and probability distributions, scikit-learn and stats models are your go-to libraries for regression analysis tasks in Python. Whether you're working with linear, logistic, polynomial, multiple, or Poisson regression, these libraries have got you covered.